Today, we're bringing you a rope braiding tutorial to create the trending hanging soap. We'll first demonstrate a simple braiding method using 2 different colored ropes. Prepare several white ropes of appropriate length to serve as the core support. Take a longer blue rope for wrapping. Start by tying a knot at one end of the rope. Fold the knotted end of the blue rope in half, then put it into the center of the white ropes. Hold all the ropes together. Using the longer blue rope, begin wrapping tightly around all the ropes. After every 3-4 wraps, push the coils downward to keep them dense and compact. Continue wrapping in this way until you reach the desired length. Pass the end of the rope through the final coil at the tail end. Then, locate the knotted end and gently but firmly pull it. You'll see the coils tighten and shrink. And just like that, a beautifully braided rope is complete. The hemp rope is braided in the same way. Prepare the core support ropes and a longer wrapping rope. Tie a knot, fold it in half. Note, be clear about your desired coil length here. Start wrapping, push the coils down as you go, and when finished, pass the end through the final coil and pull the knotted end to tighten. Leave sufficient length on both ends for later use. Trim off any excess. Now, let's assemble the soap balls into an impressive hanging soap. First, prepare 3 shorter ropes and tie a knot at one end of each. Arrange 5 soap balls in a pyramid, 1 at the bottom, 4 on top. Use the wrapping method we taught earlier to braid them together. Trim excess rope when done. Continue adding layers upward. I'm adding 5 soap balls per layer and securing them. This cluster uses a total of 15 soap balls. Of course, you can make a larger one. 18 balls also looks great. Once the soap cluster is fully braided, let's check the result. Now, connect the braided rope to the cluster. Take a long rope, tie a knot at one end, and place it alongside the cluster. Wrap using the same braiding method. Pass the end through the final coil and pull tight. Next, pay attention, take the 2 long rope ends, pull them taut, and tie a secure knot. Do the same for the top. Select 2 long ropes, tie a knot, and trim excess. And there you have it, a beautifully complete handmade soap.